Unit 5. See on page number 67. The name of our story is The Golden Fish. Students, you have to listen carefully and you have to read with me. Students, in this story, Mallar was there and his wife is there. So, now we will see about this story in detail. Mallar was a fisherman. Who was Mallar? He was a fisherman. He lived with his wife in a little hut near the sea, where she was live near the sea and in little hut with his wife. Then he went down to the sea every day to catch fish. To catch the fish, this was the duty of Mallar. Then one day, a strange thing happened. What happened? Then he caught a big golden fish in his net. Then when Mallar took the fish out of water, the fish began to speak. It was very surprised to Mallar. "Oh fisherman, please let me go." Mallar was very surprised. He was a kind man. He let the fish go. But that time what happened? He began to miss the golden fish, began to speak. That time he was Miss Mallar surprised. But she was very kind man. What he did? He let the fish go. Then Mallar went home empty-handed. He told his wife about the fish. His wife was not very kind, means she was cruel. The opposite of kind is cruel. Then his wife says, "What? Foolish man, why did you let the fish go? Go back to the sea and call the fish. It must be a magic fish. It must be a magic fish. Ask the fish to grant you a wish. You have to put your wish in front of that magic fish." So Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." The fish popped up its head out of the blue sea and said, "What is your wish?" That time Mallar says, "I want a big house with a garden for my wife." "Go back home, your wish is granted." Then Mallar went back home. In place of his little hut, he saw a big house with a garden. "What a beautiful house," he says. Some days passed. Mallar's wife said to him, "This house is not enough. I want to live in a castle. I want to be a queen." Then Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me a wish." There were big waves in the sea. The fish came and asked, "What is your wish?" Then Mallar said, "My wife wants to be a queen." "Go back home, your wish is granted." Mallar went back home. In place of the big house, he saw a castle. The castle had many buildings and towers. There were many gardens around the castle. "What a beautiful castle," said Mallar. Then, in the castle, his wife sat on a throne of gold and diamonds. She wore a crown. "Are you happy now?" asked Mallar. Mallar asked to his wife, "What? Are you happy now?" That time she replied, "We will see," said his wife. Then some days passed. Mallar's wife called him. "This is not enough for me. Now I want to be a goddess." "What are you asking for, wife? It is not right," Mallar said to his wife. "It is not the proper, or it is not right," said Mallar. But his wife became angry. "Go to the fish at once," she ordered. Mallar went back to the sea and called the fish. "Oh fish, please grant me one more wish." When the fish came, there was a storm in the sea. The fish looked very cross. "What is it now, my wife?" Then Mallar says, "My wife wants to be a goddess," said Mallar in a small voice. Then, "Go back home," the fish said. His voice was like thunder. "And don't come again. Go back home and don't come again." Then Mallar went back home. In place of the little castle, or in place of the big castle, he saw his little hut once again. That time, his wife had to live in the little hut once again. Okay, thank you, students.